What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to take you guys through a day in my life. So we're in Dubai, and I'm obviously not going to beat the rental allegations because we rented a Brabus, but you guys know me, I miss my Lambo, I miss my supercars, so we obviously had to get something cool for Dubai. And as always, it's going to be an epic day. And for those that don't know me, my name is Leo. I'm averaging right now about $1 million a month with my online store, and I know there's a lot of fakers, so here's the proof. All right, so as you can see, about $1 million in the last 30 days. We have been scaling up. Now, as far as profit, we have definitely kept it super lean this time, and we're averaging 25% profit margins every single day. You can do the math if you want to know the profit, but really clean and healthy e-commerce business. And that's why I preach e-commerce, because unlike any other business models, you can actually make money from anywhere and have true financial freedom. I make a lot of tutorials and other videos specifically on the business model. If you guys want to learn more, just check out my other YouTube videos.
I got the bad news this morning.
So I was trying to pay for parking and my card declined.
That's so embarrassing. I was like waiting for you to come take my picture.
Alright, let's go take these pictures. This is the job. I am the photographer, and she's on vacation. Alright, so what are we doing today?
We are shooting some content. Then now we're gonna go eat at a beach bar club thing, and then
whatever that is, right?
yeah, and then we're gonna go on a yacht.
Let's go. It's gonna be an epic day. But you know what's crazy, guys? Literally valet. There's like 7 supercars behind me. Some Dubai shit. We're out here literally living the Dubai life. We got the vibes. We got the sun. We got the nice outfits. We got the jewelry. Come on, don't play with us. Remember the first time we came to Dubai though?
That was so embarrassing.
Embarrassing? Not really. We're starting. Look at the vibes, guys. Look at the vibes. Look at the freaking vibes. Unbeatable in Dubai. We got the beach right here. A nice little Ferris wheel. The city behind me. We're just chilling. We're out here. About to smoke some shisha, get some good lunch, and then head over to the yacht and just vibe out. By the way, this building right here always trips me out because it's so freaking big. If you live in Dubai or you've been to Dubai, you know that that's a dress beach. But like, look at this massive building compared to like literally everything else. It's just like next level. But yeah, this is sick. I might get a place there. I don't know. If we ended up moving to Dubai, it might be that place. But if I move here, you guys got to promise not to stalk me, okay? All right, so we're back at the crib. They just picked up the rental. I know you guys are gonna ask, so here it is. Everyone's like, yo, how much did it cost? Well, the daily rate was $750, but then with like taxes and insurance, it came out to like $900 per day. And we only rented it for 2 days, so. And yeah, that's it. Now heading to the yacht. Gentlemen, let me give you guys the official tour. We're going inside the bedrooms. Look at this. This is sick. We got, I believe this is the main bedroom. Nice view. Pretty sick. And then we got a little hallway. We got bunk beds here. Kind of cool. And then we got, I'm assuming this is a bathroom. Look at these bathrooms though. These bathrooms are sick. And what do we got here? Another double bedroom. Again, super small, but like still luxury. Definitely one of the newest yachts I've been on, but a great way to kick off a Sunday evening in Dubai. Alright, so we're setting up the cameras, do a little pod style YouTube video with this background. That's so sick. Can't beat it. On the yacht, team's working already. What are you working on? Training. Bro's just looking. Alright, whole team's here. We just finished the YouTube video. What was the video about?
How to start dropshipping in 2025 the right way.
Damn, so go check it out when it drops on her YouTube channel. I'll probably plug it in the description if it drops. If not, make sure you check out her content. It's insane. We got Uber Eats on the yacht. They're pulling up with some food. Some Dubai shit right now. You guys hungry?
Thank you, babe.
It was a whole mess. All this just to get some food, but we got some food. We got some tequila, we're about to drink, take some shots, but these guys went out last night and they're hungover. They're all hungover. Let's go, what do we got? What do we got? The finest burgers in town. All right, round two. There's a little pod. Ibra, What are we talking about?
Life
Life
in Dubai.
in Dubai. We got the Ferris wheel in the background. Come on, can't beat this. All right, so we're shooting a pod, and I'm doing the vlog. Yo, who are you, and why are you here in Dubai?
I'm one of your students that turned into an operator, and we're here for a mastermind.
Let's go.
Enjoying life.
Yo, by the way, how much did you make your first 90 days?
500K.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Good shit, bro. I'm really happy for you. By the way, if anyone's considering joining Elite, any words of encouragement?
You need to start taking action. Stop overthinking it, and you'll do fine.
Let's go. I love that. By the way, guys, we've been scaling. We've done over $1 million in the last 30 days. We're out here just working. Wrapping up the day on the yacht. Look at this beautiful view. This is next level. It pays. The inputs finally paid off, man. Come on. That's why we work so hard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap for this video. We are docking, and I just want to let you guys off on this final note. I am not more special. I am not smarter. I am not more talented than anyone watching this video. I'm just a guy that stuck to the plan longer than most people are willing to and actually got the results they've always wanted. Everything that you guys are seeing is totally possible, and you guys can do it too. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart, because you guys know I only make these type of videos to inspire you guys. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment on what kind of videos you guys want to see from me in the future. And with that being said, remember to keep doing your inputs every single day and never fail. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.